This June 3 log covers product polish for Circle Identity and Plaza. The focus is simple: make it easier to understand who is speaking, what their standing is in a circle, and which Plaza actions are available. The wording around Circle Identity was cleaned up across the product. The public labels now read more like community roles: observer, participant, contributor, and senior contributor. That makes a member's status feel less like an internal system state and more like something they can understand while using a circle. The product now separates two ideas that were easy to mix up. A person's circle role explains what they are allowed to manage, like owner, admin, or moderator. Their contribution level explains how they are participating in the circle, such as participant, contributor, or senior contributor. Plaza messages now have clearer identity badges. When someone posts, the badge can reflect the sender's own circle identity, not just the current viewer's state. Members can also open the badge to understand the sender's contribution level, circle role, and whether that identity was set in the current circle or inherited from a parent circle. The wording for announcements and connected apps was cleaned up across supported languages. Announcement copy is more consistent, and connected app cards can explain whether an app is available, syncing, disabled, unavailable, or waiting for configuration. That makes the product easier to understand before a user opens an app or responds to an announcement. Plaza received another round of usability polish. Mobile sheets and picker controls were made more reliable, useful message markers were cleaned up, and announcement-related actions were separated from the older action card workflow. The result is a Plaza surface that is easier to read, easier to act on, and less confusing around identity, announcements, and connected apps. Coverage was added for identity labels, message badges, browser identity flows, notification text, connected app text, announcement behavior, and Plaza review gaps. This is mostly polish work, but it matters because the product is becoming easier to understand without reading the code.